Good morning, students. Today we are going to see self-practice 6C, chapter 6. Okay, students, listen. Already we have seen in online class Google Meet yesterday. Once again, I repeat it. Please go through all. Okay, students, listen. First sum. The number decreased by 7 is 25. Find the number. Okay. Listen, let the record number be x. Then x decreased by 7 is 25. Okay, students, listen. In this type of questions, you have to make a equation. And using that equation, you have to find x value or y value. Which variable is there? You have to find the value of the given variable. Is it clear? So first we have to make equation. Let the record number be x. Then x decreased by 7 is 25. That is, you can make x minus 7, that is equal to 25. Okay. Now, this is a record equation. X minus 7, that is equal to 25. This is linear equation in one variable. Okay. So, therefore, x is equal to 25 plus 7. Already you have learned. Okay. This is negative sign. If it moves to right hand side, it becomes plus. Okay. So, x is equal to 25 plus 7, x is equal to 32. Is it clear? You can check it. How do you check? X minus 7, that is equal to 25. Just put the value of x. What is the x value? 32. So, 32 minus 7, that is equal to 25. At last, 25, that is equal to 25. You can easily check it. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then your answer is correct. Is it clear? Then second question. The number is multiplied by 2 and 8 is added to the product. The result is 50. Find the number. Students, listen. Let the record number be x. Okay. X is multiplied by 2. That means you have to write 2x. 2 into x. Okay. 8 is added to the product. 2x plus 8. 2x plus 8. Okay. 8 is added to the product. Product means 2x. Okay, 8 is added to the product. So 2x plus 8. Result is 50. Okay, we are given the result with 50. Okay, so 2x plus 8, that is equal to 50. 2x, that is equal to 50 minus 8. Okay, so 2x plus 8, that is equal to 50. This is a required equation. From this equation, we have to find x value. 2x, that is equal to 50 minus 8. So 2x is equal to 42. Then x is equal to 42 by 2. Then at last we have x is equal to 21. You can check it. How do you check? 2x plus 8 equal to 50. Just put the value of x, 21. 2 into 21, 42. 42 plus 8, that is equal to 50. 50, that is equal to 50. Okay. Fourth question. Students, listen. I left the second question. I think I left the second question. Second question is homework. You just do in your copy. Okay. Then the number is subtracted from 23. The number is subtracted from 23. The result is 10 less than twice the number. Find it. Okay. Students, listen. The number. Let the number be x. That x is subtracted from 23. That means you have to write 23 minus x. Okay. The result is 10 less than twice the number. So the result equal to 10 less than twice the number. That means twice the number. That means the number is x. Twice the number, that means 2x. Okay. The number is x. Twice the number, that means 2x. So 10 less than. So 2x minus 10. We can write 2x minus 10. Well, once again I repeat it. 10 less than twice the number. Twice the number, that means the number is x. Okay. Twice the number, that means 2x. 10 less than, that means 2x minus 10. Is it clear? So 23 here, 23 minus x, that is equal to, because result is 2x minus 10. So I have written in right hand side. Okay. So 2x minus 10. This is required equation. From this equation you have to find the x value. This is 23 minus x, that is equal to 2x minus 10. So minus x. If it moves to left hand side, it becomes minus 2x, that is equal to minus 10. 23 will become minus 23. So here minus 3x, that is equal to minus 33. X is equal to, just cancel the sign. Okay, x is equal to 33 divided by 3. At last we have x is equal to 11. Is it clear? Listen, students. Then fifth sum. 2/3 of a number is increased by 9. The sum will be 19. Find the number. 2/3 of the number is increased by 9. The sum will be 19. Find the number. Students, listen. Let the number be x. Okay, so 2 by 3 of x, students listen, 2/3 of the number, that is 2 by 3 of x. 2/3 of a number, that means the number is x. Okay, 2/3 of the number, that is 2 by 3 of x. 2 by 3 of x, that means 2 by 3 into x. 2 by 3 into x. So 2 by 3 into x plus is increased by 9. So here I have written plus 9. Okay, that is equal to, the sum will be 19. So the result is 19. So I have written 19 here. 2x, 2 by 3x plus 9, that is equal to 19. 2x by 3, 2 into x, 2x. 2x by 3 plus 9, that is equal to 19. 2x by 3, that is equal to 19 minus 9. 2x by 3, that is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10 into 3. Okay, in the left hand side, here 3 is in division. If it moves to right hand side, it becomes multiplication. So 2x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 by 2. Okay, here there is multiplication. If it moves right hand side, it becomes division. Okay, already you have learned, x is equal to 30 by 2. At last we have x is equal to 15. You can check it in this way. Okay, students. Then sixth question, the sum of the 1/8, 1/12 and 1/20th parts is 31. Parts, that means, listen, just keep in your mind parts words. Okay, the sum of the 1/8 and 1/12 and 1/20th parts is 31. Okay, so that means 1 by 8th part of x plus 1 by 12th part of x plus 1 by 20th part of x, that is equal to 31. Okay, so you can write x by 1 into x by 8 plus x by 12 plus x by 20, that is equal to 31. So take LCM of 8, 12, 30, then you have 120. Okay, so 120 here, 120 just put in denominator. Okay, how many 8s in 120? 15. So 15 into 1, here coefficient of x is equal to 1. So 15 into 1, 15x. How many 12 into 120? 10. Okay, so 10 into 1, 10, because here coefficient is 1. Okay, coefficient 1. So 10 into 1, 10, 10x. How many 20 into 120? 6. So 6 into 1, 6x. That is equal to 31. Okay, so 15x plus 10x plus 6x, that is equal to 31x divided by 120, that is equal to 31. Therefore 31x, that is equal to 31 into 120. At last x is equal to 31 into 120 divided by 31. Just cancel it, it gets cancelled. At last we have x is equal to 120. Is it clear, students? Good. Listen, students, next is 7th sum. Seema's little sister is now 5 years old. Little sister's age, that is equal to 2 years more than 1 by 4 of Seema's age. 2 years more than 1 by 4 of Seema's age. So let Seema's age be x. Then students listen, Seema's little sister age is equal to 2 years more than 1 by 4 of Seema's age. So little sister's age 5. So I have written 5 in left hand side. Okay, 2 years more than 1 by 4 of Seema's age. So 1 by 4 of Seema's age, that means 1 by 4 into x. Half, if half is there is multiplication. So 1 by 4 into x. Okay, 2 years more than, so I have written plus 2. So 1 by 4 into x plus 2. Okay, so the required equation is 1 by 4 of x plus 2, that is equal to 5. Okay, I just change left hand side and right hand side. I just change it. Okay, so 1 by 4 into x plus 2, that is equal to 5. 1 into x, that is equal to x by 4 plus 2, that is equal to 5. X by 4, that is equal to 5 minus 2. X by 4, that is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 3 into 4, x is equal to 12. Is it clear? Then 8th question. One number is 9 more than the other. Their sum is 63. What are the numbers? Students listen. Let the numbers be x comma y. One number equal to x, then other number equal to y. One number is 9 more than other. So x plus 9, that is equal to y. We have one equation. Here in this type of sum, in this type of questions, we have to make two equations. From these equation, we have to find the variables, value of the variables. So I can make here x plus 9, that is equal to y. X plus 9, that is equal to y. That is first equation. Their sum is 63. So their sum is 63. That means, what are the numbers? x comma y. Okay, their sum is 63. So x plus y, that is equal to 63. This is second equation. Put the y value in equation 2. Y equal to x plus 9. You have known that. So you just write the second equation. X plus y equal to the 63. X plus y equal to 6, x plus 9. So put that value. X plus 9, that is equal to 63. So here x plus x, 2x plus 9, that is equal to 63. 2x is equal to 63 minus 9. 2x equal to 54. X is equal to 54 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 24. X is equal to 24. Put this value in equation. Put this value in equation 2. Okay. So x plus y equal to 23. X is equal to 27. 27 plus y, that is equal to 63. Y equal to 63 minus 24. That y equal to 36. At last we have 27 comma 36. Is it clear, students? Good. Thank you.